Hey guys, my name is Brent Polhunka, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about lighting, specifically the three-point lighting setup. So to talk about the three-point lighting setup, we're going to be talking about the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. And we're going to position ourselves like we're doing a documentary style piece. Of course, the subject is going to be positioned facing away from the camera because we don't want to be looking directly into the lens. And we're going to be first talking about the key light. So with the key light, we're going to be shining that on the side of the face that is closest to the camera. We are using the key light to brighten the entire side of the head of the subject, and it exposes their facial features like you see here. But the problem with the key light is that it creates a problem of creating a fast fall off on the other side of my face, which also creates harsh shadows. And to get rid of that brings us to the purpose of the fill light. So how the fill light differs from the key light is that we are using the light to bounce off an umbrella that then shines onto our face to decrease the amount of shadows that are being casted from the key light. Now, since the fill light isn't as intense as the key light, we tend to have our shoulder blend in with our background, so that brings me into the backlight and its purpose. So the purpose of the backlight is to separate our subject from the background, because if we are to blend in with the background, we lose our depth of field. So we create a nice outline glow of our subject so that it separates us from the background. So now that we talked to you about the functions of the light, we're actually going to tell you about where the lights need to go in your three-point lighting setup. So the key light and the fill light are pretty simple, as you set them away 45 degrees from the subject. So the backlight is behind the subject, shining the light onto their shoulder. And with all the lights, we actually raise them up so that the lights are specifically pointing 45 degrees down at the subject. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope this video really helped, and I hope it helps you on the field. And I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one.